And welcome back to day 6 of strong core and toned abdominal challenge. आज हम फिर से करेंगे थोड़ा सा वार्म अप, उसके बाद करेंगे हम 3 कोर बिल्डिंग एक्सरसाइजेस फॉलोड बाय लिटिल बिट ऑफ कूल डाउन जो आप खुद से करेंगे. चलिए हम बिना देर किए देखते हैं कौन सी है वो एक्सरसाइजेस.
So let's begin with some warm up. In this warm up, we are going to do overhead arm raises and high knees, and this is again a compound movement. It's going to challenge your core muscle as well as it's going to challenge your balance, and it's going to increase your heart rate as well as body heat. This is a form of compound movement, and the more you do it, the better you become. So it's also going to challenge your balance as well as coordination. When we are shifting weight on from one leg to another, you are actually activating your core even while doing this warm up. Plus, based on your fitness level, you can actually increase the speed of this movement or maybe add a little bit more component to it, like on spot running and then shifting weight on from one leg to another. So our first exercise is bird dog exercise. It's an excellent core building, core activating exercise. If you do it slowly, it's more about your control. So whenever there is control of movement and a lot of balance required in any of the movement, that means you are actually activating your core. This is a safe exercise for diastasis recti. Here you are doing left hand and right leg together, and then you switch side and do other side for optimal benefits. The key here is to keep the back flat on the ground when you're doing this exercise. You can take a break if you need to, but then you still have to do a slow controlled movement. Once you get the core activated, then you can increase the speed of this movement as per your tolerance. So our second exercise is frog glute bridges. Here we are doing something similar to bridging exercise, very famous for activation of your gluteus maximus muscle or your buttocks muscle. But here what we are going to do is we are going to keep it in a butterfly or froggy position. So your both soles of your feet are going to touch, and then you are going to raise your buttocks up while you can keep your hands on the side or overhead for more challenge, and then you just gently lift your buttocks up and down in a very slow and controlled motion. Each time you do this, you breathe out when you go up. Our third exercise is high plank to low plank. So we start from elbow plank position. We try to build up a steady core, straight line within the body, and then we just switch from elbow plank to high plank. And we can even switch sides. So one time you start from the right side and next time you start from the left side. So you are actually activating both sides muscle properly. Here I am moving a lot, but you should aim to move less and controlled. Let's again do the round 2 of this exercise. You can do it, you can take break as and when required. Keep breathing, but try to challenge yourself with activating your core and keeping it activated while doing this exercise. again a very famous exercise for building your buttocks or activating your buttocks muscle. So do this as much as you can while you keep breathing and in a very slow and controlled fashion. This exercise is not as easy as it looks. It's actually going to challenge your triceps, your upper back, your shoulders, your whole body, even your legs, to keep you high up, and like whole core is activated since you are actually switching position. Plank itself, the basic plank itself is a very tough exercise. Now you're actually shifting from high plank to low plank. It's very challenging for the core. You keep breathing and you take rest as and when needed. It's not necessary to do all the 4 rounds or 5 rounds. You can actually stop at 2 or 3 rounds if you are not able to do much, or you can break it apart into 2 sessions. Do 5-7 minutes in one session and then take a break, and then do 5-7 minutes of session in another go. That is okay. Here comes round 4, or last round for the 3 exercise. Just keep breathing, take rest, and then make sure that you are tightening your body core and keeping your back as much as you can flat on the mat or any surface that you are doing exercise on.
आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।